Canadian cooking in the USA, and we are now in the second round of playoffs. Well, I woke up this morning kind of sad, and I was thinking, because I think a lot, sometimes a cup of tea makes everything feel better. But instead of a cup of tea, we are going to make a sun tea. We are going to use Nanny's Good Tea recipe, and we're going to double it. My red rose tea bags, they have these little strings. I just went ahead and cut those off. I don't want my tea tasting like strings. So here's our 4 red rose tea bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our 4 Tetley Teas. They're the round bags, so in case you're wondering what they are different from all the other kind. So 4 go in, 1, 2, 3, 4. The orange Pekoe black cut tea blend. They're manufactured in like a double pack kind of thing. Okay, so here's 4 of the last kind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 2 cans of Canada Dry. That adds sweetness without adding sugar. Canada Dry. All right. Sprinkle them with kisses and make a wish. Nanny always did that. There we go. And stir the tea. Put the lid on. And let's take this outside for a good part of the day. All right, let's go outside. There, the tea is on. So, while we're waiting, we're back inside, and I'm going to prepare a blueberry ice cube. I'm going to prepare this, or just under 2 cups of water, dissolve the jello crystals, and then I'm just put it in a little tray here and put it in the freezer. Whoops. Okay. Just keeping it real, that could happen to anybody. Try not to drop the container in it. There. So just give this a stir. This will make approximately 2 trays worth of cubes. Pop them in the freezer. Maybe not feel so bad. Tea makes everything feel better. Yeah. So let's have a taste. So we're ready. We'll have some blueberry tea now, and maybe things will get better. My little special glass. Really blueberry. Blueberry special Canadian tea with a twist. There. That's nice. You can always add a little more sugar to taste, but there it is. Oh, I just got a brain freeze. Canadian blueberry sun iced tea. Cheers. If you like this video so far, maybe give it a thumbs up. Maybe even share it to a friend. Hit the notification bell and you won't miss the next thing I'm up to. Until next time, do take care and Au revoir. Starting to feel better now.